Hi, welcome to our video about Griffith Sciences Guests at School courses, more commonly known as Griffith Chem and Griffith Phys. These are the first year university courses that senior high school students can complete while studying senior chemistry and senior physics. Griffith Chem and Griffith Phys offer a range of benefits to students and teachers who participate in these courses. These courses provide great resources for senior chemistry and senior physics, with over 100 concept and example videos and dozens of online quizzes. This will benefit both teachers and students involved in these senior science subjects. Importantly, students who successfully complete Griffith Chem and Griffith Phys can receive credit for up to 2 first-year science courses within the relevant degree programs at Griffith University. This will save them both time and money when they study at Griffith. Successful students will also receive 2 adjustments to their selection rank, which can increase their chances of being accepted into the degree program of their choice at Griffith University. There are no course fees for Griffith Chem or Griffith Phys, as all costs of these courses are covered by Griffith University. Griffith Chem and Griffith Phys run over 2 years, with Stage 1 completed in Year 11 and Stage 2 completed in Year 12. Assessment for each course is in the form of a 2-hour online exam at the end of each stage. To pass each course, students must receive an aggregate grade of 50% or more for these 2 exams. Using an online enrolment system, students enrol into Griffith Chem and Griffith Phys in Year 11 and complete the courses in Year 12. To be eligible for enrolment in these courses, students must be ATAR or Diploma of the International Baccalaureate eligible and be receiving a C grade or higher in a general English subject as well as chemistry for Griffith Chem and physics for Griffith Phys. For more information, including the specific topics covered in each course, anticipated workload for both students and teachers, and the courses and degree programs for which credit is applicable, please contact me anytime. We look forward to having you involved in Griffith Chem and Griffith Phys.